Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm like bronzy right now. Easy to achieve this look. What makes the look stand out even more are the lashes and like just a bronzy look of the look. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And you guys can also follow me on my Instagram if you guys want. Okay, you don't have to, but I'll link it down below for you guys as well. So I'm gonna link everything that I use down below in the description bar, and if you guys are interested in watching me do my makeup to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I have all of my makeup right in front of me. I have not done anything to my face. This is my bare face. I'm gonna move my hair, tuck it back behind my ears. Oh, let's fix that little guy right there. Alright you guys, so I am a little bit tan. I went to Mexico. I just got back this week. And I wanted to film a matte, like a brown neutral matte makeup look. I haven't done like a full face since I got back, so I feel like everything looks different when you get a tan and then you do your makeup, so I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. So let's start by moisturizing. I'm taking this new Pixi Beauty, I think it's the vitamin C lotion. Yeah, I love Pixi Beauty skincare. I feel like it's perfect for my sensitive skin, and I've actually been using this vitamin C lotion when I went to Mexico. This is what I took just to moisturize, but honestly only at night because I was using like tons of sunblock. The sun over there is no joke. So I've been really liking this brightening moisturizer. It really brightens up your skin, and this is the perfect morning lotion. Like I said, in Mexico I was using it at night, but try to use this only in the morning because I feel like it just wakes you up. Like that citrus smell wakes you up. It gives you energy for some reason. It's just, smell has a lot to do with the way we feel, and I feel like this is a perfect morning lotion. Even if you don't wear makeup, I feel like you do need something like this in your life. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. So while I wait for that to sink into my skin, I'm gonna drink some kombucha. If you guys follow Melissa Flores here on YouTube, she actually drinks the Pink Lady Apple, and I tried it. I loved it, and it's one of my favorites. And I just found out that my local Giant sells them. So good. I normally use a straw. I don't know where my straw is. I think it's in my car, but I love this. She actually drinks it while she's filming. She says it gives her like this energy, and it really does. It really, really does. So totally love that. I love to drink that when I'm on my way to work. If it's not in the morning time, because I really like my coffee in the morning time, so love that. Alright guys, so now that my skin is nice and plump and fresh, we're gonna smooth it out a little bit. This is the primer that I'm using today. This is an oldie but a very goodie. This is a Pores No More Dr. Brand primer, and you guys, if you guys have ever used this, you guys know it's amazing. It definitely does minimize the look of your pores and absorbs oil and mattifies shine. I used to love this primer, and I forgot how much I loved it, so I'm super excited to be featuring it in today's video. So this is a product. It's kind of like a skin color, and I literally apply this on the center of my face, all over my nose, and whatever's left I literally just glide it on where I have the most pores, which is right here. And then whatever I have left on my fingers, I just apply it to the rest of my face, just so I can have like that smooth surface. You pretty much put it all over the place, but you focus it on the center of your face, the majority of the product, and then you just blend out the rest with your fingers, and it literally smooths out your skin. So when you put your foundation on top, it looks super flawless. And multi-use sculpting concealer. Look at the difference. Like, this is a foundation and this is a concealer. Like, look how big this concealer is. It's insane. But I feel like this one is perfect since I am more tan now. I'm in the shade Golden Beige, and I literally just pump a little bit on my hand and dot it all over the place. So I love the combination of this foundation with this primer. It gives you like that very, 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 very flawless finish. I like to apply foundation onto my lids as well. I'm trying to get my light situation fixed because this like sun and no sun thing is like messing me up a little bit. Covering up these super dark, scary circles that I have. And I love this concealer so much. I'm going to apply it all over the place because it's so good. And I feel like it's very hydrating. I'm a huge fan of the Tarte Shape Tape. Like that's probably my ultimate favorite concealer. So I'm putting this one to the test to see how much I like it. I mean, it's really good. And I like it a lot so far. And I think this is golden beige as well. So as you can see, it's very smooth and it just looks like healthy skin. That's what I see it as, healthy skin. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on this because I know I have a lot to say about this, so let me know. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the good old soft Glam Anastasia palette. This has to be like my all-time favorite palette that she's come out with. I love the shades. Super neutral tones. As you can see, these are like my top favorite colors. And I'm going to take my favorite blending brush, which is by Sigma. And that is the E40 brush. Before I get into the shadow, I'm going to set my concealer with the Dermablend Translucent. And just reblend the concealer. And just kind of bake. It doesn't make my under eye area dry. I feel like it kind of hydrates it in a way. So I'm just patting on this concealer. Patting on the powder over the concealer. Bronze up this face slightly. So I'm taking my Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300. This is what it looks like. And I'm taking the angled side of my Kat Von D brush. And I'm literally like contouring slash bronzing using this bronzer. I do need a new bronzer, you guys. If you have like a favorite bronzer, let me know, because bronzer is something that I need in my life. So now I'm doing this side of my face. And I like this brush a lot. I don't even know where they sell it, but I just saw that it's double-ended and it's a very soft brush. It definitely blends out any product that you want to blend out. Put a little bit on my jawline. So now that we have that, I'm going to do a quick shadow. It's not going to be anything fancy. I'm going to take burnt orange as my crease color. And this is a matte shade. I'm pretty much applying burnt orange everywhere. Putting it on my crease and just blending it out. Alright, you guys, let me get closer because the lighting is being weird again. So this is pretty much the eyeshadow, but that same brush, because we're trying to use like a little bit of brushes. I'm gonna take the color Rustic and apply it to my lids. I'm just patting it on. And then whatever's left, I'm gonna blend right onto the burnt orange color. And this is a very easy look because you don't have to be super precise. Like, I know a lot of like Instagram looks, they're very precise, like cut creases and all of that. And I'm honestly not a huge fan of those makeup trends. Like, I love winged liner, I love lashes and brows and highlight, of course, but when it comes to shadow, I'm very simple. I like to keep it simple. Like, I'll do looks for YouTube, of course, because I know how to do them, but for me, I'm pretty simple. I'm gonna fill in my brows real quick. I'm taking the Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefits, and if you guys have never seen this, look how cute. It's an eyebrow. It's a whole eyebrow. It has a little mirror and it comes with a little brush, but I like to use their full-size brush. guys, look at what lashes can do. That's all I'm gonna do to my eyes. Well, I'm gonna apply mascara and stuff, but like to the bottom. But I literally just pop these on and they look amazing. I like to squeeze them together like when I don't have like wing liner or liner on top. I feel a million times better when I have my lashes on. It's like a beautiful change. So for highlight, I'm taking my Sigma E40, which is another Sigma E40, not the same one, and I just apply my highlight with it. I'm taking the Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons highlighter, and I'm taking this color in the center, which is called Viserion, and just highlight. Oops, I didn't even spray my face. Oh, normally I spray it and then I apply this, but it doesn't look bad. So to spray my face, I'm taking this Coco Cosmetics. It's like a refresh setting spray. It's hydrating, and that's exactly what I need in my life right now, some hydration. So I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay Perversion mascara and apply it to the bottom of my lashes. And I'm actually going to apply a Bronzey eyeliner pencil to the bottom. Okay, so this is the Bronzey liner pencil. This is by Profusion Cosmetics, and it's a waterproof shadow stick, but I love this for under the eyes. Look at that, so pretty. You can use it as an eyeshadow, but I like to use it for the waterline. Alright guys, so this has to be like my all-time favorite lip combo at the moment. The Jordana Cosmetics Coco Loco lip liner. It's like a very brown chocolate lip liner. And then this is a very nude lip gloss by Morphe in Flower Crown. I don't like this by itself. It's very, very nude. But I like it with this lip liner because I don't like this lip liner by itself. Too dark, too nude. Mix it together and you get like the perfect combo. Kind of like an ombre lip, but it's so pretty, you guys. This combination. Coco Loco by Jordana Cosmetics. They have amazing lip liners, so many shades. And then the Morphe Flower Crown lip gloss. I'm obsessed. So, alright you guys, this is the finished look. It's a very matte bronzy makeup look, and I'm obsessed with it. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see, because I am making a list. Okay, your girl has a list right there on my table of video ideas, but they're super basic. So if you want to see like other types of videos, just let me know in the description. And if you guys have any questions on anything, just let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.